Hello everyone, this video is a tutorial on Python logic operations. It is commonly used for logical evaluations, for example, in an if statement. First, let's take a look at comparison operations. They are used to compare two variables. We use two equal signs to determine if two variables are equal. For example, 1 is equal to 2, we get false. 1 is equal to 1, true. We can also use type function to check the result of comparison. It is Boolean. Not equal, we use an exclamation mark to represent the negation operator. One not equal 1, false. To compare the relative sizes of two variables, we can use greater than 2 bigger than 1, true. 2 bigger than 2, we get false. Less than 1 smaller than 2, true. Greater than or equal to. Two bigger than or equal to 1, true. 2 bigger than or equal to 2, also true. Less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 2, true. 1 less than or equal to 0, false. The second type of operator is logical operators, and or not. An operator will return true if both statements are true. For example, 1 smaller than 2 and 1 smaller than 3, we get true. If we change here to 0, we get false, because the second statement is not true. Both need to be true, then the result is true. Or operator will return true if one of the statements is true. For example, 1 is smaller than 2, and 1 is smaller than 0. The result is true, because the first statement is true. If we change here to smaller than 1, then the result will be false, because both statements are false. Not operator is very simple, it will just reverse the result. For example, not 2 smaller than 1, the inverse of false is true. The last type is membership operators, in, not in. An operator will return true if the value is present in the object. For example, pi in Python, the result is true. But Java in Python, the result is false. Not an operator is just reverse of an operator. So Java not in Python, we will get true. Thank you all for your time. See you next time.